Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Again, this is Tawana, and today I wanted to do something a little different from just a regular haul, or I guess just a regular haul styling video. So I know that a lot of us, when you come out of college, we're always kind of like, going to our big girl's job, our first corporate field, or just our first, full-time job, I should say. And sometimes I guess it's hard to transition our wardrobes from that college casual to sort of a more sophisticated, young adult look that we're going for without just completely revamping our closets. And I mean like an overhaul where you're buying too many new things and you're like, what do I do with my older clothes? I was kind of like just my throw on and chill clothes. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could use some pieces that you probably have already, just usual stuff that most people in college wear or would have in their closets, and how you could add at least like one staple piece or maximum two. I'll definitely let you guys know what they are and how you're gonna kind of just like elevate your look to look a little bit more chic. I do want to say some of these things are more, I guess, fall time transitional pieces as well, so you can throw on something on top like a blazer or jacket, something like that, which I'll again show you guys in the actual try on parts of the video. And I hope that you guys get some sort of inspiration from this, that you can help your wardrobe just go up a notch and look a little bit more, classy, bougie, that sort of vibe. So let's go ahead and get into this video. guys for watching. I hope that you got something out of this. Do comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, I guess, outfit, or how you might style something else differently. I love interacting with you guys in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon when I get to my 100 subscribers. So what I did is I've hid the number of subscribers I currently have, just so people won't, like, I guess, gauge into that too much. But when we hit 100, we're gonna have a giveaway, so stay in touch for an update on that. It's gonna be something kind of cool. I'm thinking of like a self-care Sunday giveaway set, so just things that, you know, we all need at the end of the work week, something that we need to just revamp and refresh to start the next week. And we're gonna do that when I hit 100 subscribers. It's not a big goal, so definitely go ahead. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enter into the giveaway and probably go ahead and actually win it. So do subscribe and turn on your notification bell as well, so you can actually know when the new videos are posted and you can stay up to date with everything. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a great day.